And today we're going to talk about undo send in Gmail. So there must have been a lot of times where you must have sent the email to the wrong person or with the wrong content, and you might be wondering what if there was a method to recall those emails. Well, there is a method to recall them, but there's a setting in Gmail that you can activate to recall the emails. But please note that the emails that you can recall uh, are only after you have activated the setting. So people who have already sent the emails without activating the setting and are hoping to recall them, it's not possible. But yeah, you can activate the setting right now, and then be assured that if you send an email by mistake to someone in the future, you can recall that. Another point to note here is there's a maximum time limit in which you can recall that email. So that time limit is 30 seconds. And if you send an email, you can recall it within 30 seconds. You cannot recall it after that. So I'll show you how to activate the setting, and then you'll be able to recall an email within 30 seconds if you realize that something's gone wrong. So to do that, if you'll follow the mouse pointer on my laptop screen, so my Gmail account is open. I go to the top right hand side on the settings cog. I click on settings, and then I click on see all settings. And then when you come down, it says undo send, and the send cancellation period is 20 seconds. And what you can do is you can alter the send cancellation period. You can take it up to a maximum of 30 seconds or up to a minimum of 5 seconds too. So let's say I want it to be 30 seconds. So I click on 30, and then I scroll down. There are a lot of features here too that can help you in increasing your productivity. So if you want to learn how to use them, shoot me a comment below and I'll make a video too. So go down and click on save changes, and as soon as you click on save changes, the Gmail tab will reload, and then you will be able to go again in the settings, see all settings, and then you'll be able to see that the undo send cancellation period is 30 seconds. Now, to test this, go to inbox, hit compose. Let's say if I want to send it to myself, hit email I regret sending, hi, and then I click on send. And as soon as I click on it, you will see here uh, that there is an option of undoing the message. I'll just close this. Uh, the video tag is on here, so the message is right out here. It's called as, yeah, it's sent. It says message send and undo, and if you click on this, it will undo the message. It says sending undone, and there you are. You can recall that message, but make sure it's within 30 seconds, or after that this disappears. Again, if I send it, it's sending as of now, and then you see as message sent, but you can undo this, and this is how you undo send emails in Gmail. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. We'll be back with more useful content. Signing off.